Okay, so this is the third of our 3 travel type questions. In this lesson, we're going to talk about opposite direction travel, which means that you start off in the same location. Here we are together, okay? We're at, I don't know, we're probably by the ocean, okay? And this guy's gonna fly inland. Here I go, I'm flying, and this guy's gonna swim out to sea. We're going in opposite directions. What? Yeah, look at us. Oh, bye, bye. Oh no, we're leaving. Oh, and we're gone. Okay, so that is opposite direction travel, where you start at the same point, but you're going to go in opposite directions. So in this case, we're going to be looking at a different way of laying out the problem. Starting, of course, with distance equals rate times time. We're going to just see where this one brings us. So we've got Sarah and John leaving Perryville and traveling in opposite directions. So we're going to call Sarah S. Okay, Sarah is S, and John, we'll call him J. S and J, and here they are together in a house visiting. They had lunch, okay, and they had lunch in Perryville, and they're going to now travel in opposite directions on a straight road. Now I think you and I know that this never really happens, but John is going on in that direction on that straight road, and our S, Sarah, is going in the opposite direction. Now Sarah has a heavy foot, so Sarah is driving 12 miles per hour faster than John. Okay, so here you've got John's speed, which we don't know what it is, John's speed, and I'm going to call that R, okay, and Sarah's speed is John's speed plus 12. So Sarah drives R plus 12 because she's going faster. I don't know that she's going to be picked up for speeding or what. Okay, so now after 2 hours, they are 176 miles apart. Miles apart after 2 hours. Now, I want you to just notice what I'm doing. Right now, all I am doing is writing down what I know about the problem. I know that John's speed is R. I know that Sarah is 12 miles per hour faster. I know that after 2 hours, they are 176 miles apart. Okay, and my question is, find Sarah's and John's speeds. Okay, so now we know what we are looking for. We're trying to find their speeds. So really, what we're saying here is that I'm looking at, we know that the time is 2 hours. We know that the distance is 176 miles per hour, but we've got 2 people going in opposite directions. So here I'm looking at a total distance. So here I'm looking at my rate times time plus my rate times time. Here's Sarah, here's John, equals the 176. This is that total distance. Okay? So here I've got a different setup. And that's kind of what you've got to look at a little bit when you are solving these problems. So I know that for Sarah, I've got 2 hours and my rate is R plus 12. Okay, plus for John, I've got 2 hours and his rate is R, and this is going to equal 176. And now once again, I'm going to solve it. So 2R plus 24 plus 2R equals 176. combining my like terms, I have 4r plus 24 equals 176. Okay, I'm going to subtraction property of equality, subtracting on both sides. I have 4r equals 6 minus 4 is 2, 5, 152, and the division property of equality, dividing both sides by 4, and r is equal to, 4 goes into 15 3 times with 3 left over. Yeah, that's right. And 4 goes into 32 8 times. So John is driving, because he had the simple r, so John drives at 38 miles per hour, and Sarah, hopefully she doesn't get pulled over, is 38 plus 12, which is 50. Okay? So, so really you've seen the different ways that you can set these up. These are not the only types of problems, but this gives you a really good understanding, hopefully, of working with these and looking at them and seeing what exactly is it saying and how am I working with my distance formula. So that's it, and since we're done with our travel, my helpers here say goodbye, thanks for watching us, quack, 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 and I'm swimming off. Okay, thank you.